The Ambarella fruit, also known as June plum or golden apple, is native to the tropical regions of southern Asia. It was brought to Jamaica in 1782 and is now cultivated in countries across the Caribbean. The Ambarella fruit is oval in shape and has a yellow or greenish-yellow color. It has a fleshy pulp that is both sour and sweet. Ambarella can be eaten fresh and is used in many different ways, including in jams, wines, and pickles. It is used in many different dishes, both sweet and savory. Ambarella is a great source of vitamin C and vitamin A, as well as potassium, copper, and manganese. The fruits are also low in calories and fat. All of these nutrients make Ambarella fruits an excellent choice for a healthy snack. In addition to the fruit, Ambarella trees are also used in a variety of ways, including as a traditional medicine and as a source of wood. Ambarella fruits have a long history and were mentioned in Buddhist scriptures dating back to the 6th century. They were also used in ancient Ayurvedic medicine. The Ambarella tree is mentioned in the Ramayana, an ancient Indian epic poem. In Sri Lanka, Ambarella fruits have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. They are still used today in many different ways, including as a treatment for diarrhea and dysentery. During Sri Lankan religious festivals, Ambarella fruits are considered to be auspicious and are often given as gifts. Ambarella is a truly versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in many different ways. If you're looking for a healthy snack option, be sure to give Ambarella a try. You won't be disappointed.